Hey, Joanne Butler here with some summer survival guide must-haves. Let's start with laundry. It never ends in our house, and with summer sports season here and kids hitting fields across the country working up a sweat, I know everyone feels me when I say what comes along with that is even more stinky laundry. In fact, did you know a single sock can contain more than 8 million odor-causing bacteria? So to take care of stink, this is my go-to Lysol Laundry Sanitizer. I love it. It kills 99.9% of odor-causing bacteria the first time, every time when used as directed. Just use the dosing cap to pour the suggested amount into the fabric softener compartment of your washer at the start of the cycle, or directly into the rinse cycle based on your machine, and you're good to go. They'll also be doing something cool to really help you strike out stink this summer. Lysol's team of bacteria-fighting scientists are hitting the road and bringing Lysol labs to youth sporting events across the country to teach people about the millions of odor-causing bacteria that could be in your stinky clothes and how they can help. There'll be games and prizes and all kinds of fun stuff. Just check out their Instagram at Lysol to find out where a Lysol lab will be coming near you. Next up, Planet Fitness. They're doing something really cool too to make sure teens are staying active this summer. A recent survey they conducted found that 61% of teens face mental health struggles and 93% appreciate how fitness can positively impact their lives. And you know, with academic and extracurricular activities like gym class and after-school programs on pause, some kids just don't have access to sports. So Planet Fitness created the High School Summer Pass program to give all teens access to a free, safe space, a truly judgment-free zone to prioritize their mental and physical well-being while school is out. So great. So through August 31st, they're inviting high schoolers 14 to 19 to work out at any of their more than 2,400 locations in the US and Canada for free. All to really motivate teens to start and keep a fitness routine and encourage really healthy habits that they can take with them, for years to come. Teens can sign up online or in club right now. Head to planetfitness.com/summerpass. They'll also be awarding 5 teens in the top 5 schools in the US with $10,000 scholarships. Again, planetfitness.com/summerpass. Now, last but not least, another important part of feeling your best is looking and smelling your best. So here's a must, especially great for after that workout. It's Old Spice Gentleman's Blend Exfoliating Body Wash. Has a rich, creamy lather that removes dirt and oil while hydrating the skin at the same time. Actually gives you 24/7 moisturization and exfoliation. Comes in 2 great summer scents, the Himalayan sea salt and glacier water and the brown sugar and cocoa butter. Both of these are endorsed by the Skin Health Alliance, which is a major global organization of independent dermatologists and skin scientists. So, it's really great stuff for your skin. And it's just $7.99 at the drugstore, which is even better. Ladies love this too, by the way. And there you have it, my summer lifestyle essentials for you.